CData Connect Cloud provides access to your Sage Intacct data in your preferred cloud tools and applications, extending the reporting capabilities on your accounting and ERP data to the tools you know and love. For example, let's say I want in-depth reporting on monthly expenses by department. With Connect Cloud, I can pull different parts of the general ledger into Excel for the web, and then build a GL expense report to show spending by department over time. And because the Connect Cloud connection can be easily refreshed, I know that I can quickly run new reports every month. Since the report is being run in Excel for the web, it makes it easy to share with my colleagues and offers a single source of truth instead of multiple Excel files sitting on multiple coworkers' machines. Let's see how easy it is to build this report. To begin, log into CData Connect Cloud and navigate to the Connections page. For the sake of brevity, I have a pre-configured connection. If we open my Sage Intacct connection, we can see that I simply need to enter my Sage Intacct credentials and click Test and Save to complete the connection. Note that the report we use later requires the connection to be named Sage Intacct, no spaces, as shown. Once connected, we can navigate to the Clients page and find Excel online. Click to install the connector to your Microsoft account and open Excel. Again, we have a pre-configured Excel file with 3 tabs. 2 tabs contain the raw general ledger data from Sage Intacct, the accounts, and entries. In the CData Connect Cloud connector, we can review the queries used to populate these tabs and refresh the data. On the Expense Report tab, we can select the different departments to show their monthly expenses over time. As I said before, since this is all in Excel for the web, we can easily share this report across our organization. And that's everything you need to know to establish live connectivity between your Sage Intacct data and Excel for the web. CData Connect Cloud allows you to work with your cloud data in your preferred cloud tools and applications. To get started with CData Connect Cloud, visit cloud.cdata.com and sign up for a free trial. Thanks for watching, and as always, you can find more resources at cdata.com.